Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I show you how to manually update a NAKIVO backup and replication instance running on a Linux server. First of all, open your web browser. As you can see in the bottom, I am running NAKIVO backup and replication version 10.11.3. At the end of this tutorial, I'll have a more recent version. Let's go to the NAKIVO website. Find the updater for a virtual appliance or Linux. The update procedure is made up of two parts. Part 1. You need to get to your Linux server and save the updater executable there. Part 2 involves launching the executable. There are several ways to get the updater executable file. The first way involves opening PuTTY, an SSH client, and connecting to the Linux server where the NAKIVO solution is installed. Copy the download link to the updater from the NAKIVO website, go to PuTTY and type wget and paste the link. Press enter to start downloading the NAKIVO solution updater on the remote Linux host. As an alternative, you can download the NAKIVO solution updater file in a web browser and then copy the downloaded file to the Linux server via an SCP or SFTP client, such as WinSCP. I'll go over this method as well. Open WinSCP and connect to the Linux server. As you can see, I already have the updater file I downloaded earlier in the Linux command line with wget. I will delete it to show you the file transfer to the Linux server in WinSCP this time. I will transfer the NAKIVO solution updater file downloaded in the web browser. I open the downloads directory in Windows Explorer. Then, I open WinSCP and drag and drop the updater file from the downloads directory on Windows to the Linux server. The copy operation has been completed. I will simplify the file name in this example by renaming it to updater.sh. I can now run the updater using WinSCP. Right-click the directory where the updater file is located and in the context menu, click Static Custom Commands and click Enter. Ensure that you're logged into the Linux server in WinSCP using a user account with root privileges to run executable files. Run the command sh/folder where your downloaded updater file is stored. In my case, that's sh/root/updater.sh. EULA accept -u /root/installer.log. I add the EULA accept switch to accept the license agreement and -u to perform the update. Then, I will send the output from the console to root installer log. Press enter. Accept the notification and click OK. This will perform the update. As an alternative, if you don't want to run the updater from here, you can open the Linux console. If you downloaded the updater with wget, you can type the command sh the updater file downloaded before, which was this one, then -EULA accept -u and press enter. This will update the NAKIVO solution. Let's have a look at the update process. It's updating. Now the service is starting. Now, I have the Linux server with NAKIVO backup and replication version 11, the latest version at the time of making this video. Thanks for watching.